Okay, first of all, table is a building block of the database in which all the data of the database is stored in an organized way or in the form of rows and columns. And the various data types that we had discussed in this chapter, data type means the type of data that can a particular field can accept. That means what type of value we will enter in a particular column or in a particular field, they will be defined by the type of data type. Data type we define at the time of designing the table. We define the field name and then we give the data type. That means to tell the computer or to tell the table that in this field, we will enter this type of value so that there will be no error in the data entry. So define data type defines the type of data that a particular field can accept. That means the type of value that can be entered in a particular field. There are many data types available. One is text data type. Text data type, or practically you may have seen it is written as short text. The short text data type can have up to 255 characters. It is an alphanumeric data type. That means in which we can have the alphabets and numbers both. In this type of field, we can enter the address, in which we can enter the numbers and alphabets both, or we can enter some patient detail, or we can enter some employees information regarding the previous job, etc., and experience. So in this data type we can define the alphanumeric values up to 255 characters. It can be less than 255 but cannot be more than 255. You can also specify the size of the if you want कि अगर आपको लगता है कि मेरे फील्ड में ज्यादा से ज्यादा 50 लेटर्स होंगे, जैसे मुझे सिर्फ नेम स्टोर करना, आई हैव टू एंटर अप टू 55 50 letters, 50 alphabets are there, so you can specify the field size as 50 in field properties. उसका फायदा क्या होगा? उसका फायदा क्या होगा मनस्वी? Do you know? When by default it is 255 characters, that means in table for that particular field, for all the records 255 characters की space storage में reserve हो गई, whether we use it or whether we do not use it. So that much space is occupied by the table for that field कि text data type मैंने name का field लिया है, उसमें data type मेरी text है और maximum range by default 255 आ रही है. I didn't change it. That means for that field in the memory, in the storage space, 255 letters for every record is saved, reserved. So whether we enter 10 letters, whether we enter 15, whether we enter 20, that much space is reserved. That is a wastage of the storage space. ठीक है? So अगर हम उसको define कर दे कि yes मेरा name है, तो name can be up to 50 letters or up to 25 characters, so I can specify the field size so that it will reserve only that much space. So first it will take less space. Okay, and if you think कि मेरा data type जो है या जो text है that is more than 255 letters, then you can have the memo data type or long text data type. Long text data type will have the maximum size of 65,536 characters. So that means if you think कि मेरा जो field है इसमें maximum 255 characters से ज़्यादा data आ रहा है, like we are storing the patient diagnosis in the hospital record, so it will be more than 255 characters. So we can have the long text or memo data type. And again, it will reserve the space for 65,536 characters. But if you think कि मेरा 1000 letters, 1000 characters के साथ काम बन सकता है या 500 characters के साथ हो रहा है, तो we can specify the field size in the properties pane at the bottom. We can specify the field sizes up to this. So that means it will allow you to enter only those much letters, those much characters that you have specified in the field properties. Okay, and it will reserve the space only for that much characters. Next is number data type. Number data type is used to enter the numbers only on which you can do the calculations also. Numbers can be integer, numbers can be real. Real means the decimal point numbers. Okay, they can have up to 16 bytes space. The storage space that is up to 16 bytes. If you think you are entering only the numbers, integers, you are not having any large values or you are not having any decimal points, so and again you can specify the field size. Field size is number, integers, real, double, like this field size is given, and for every type of number you have the storage space. तो maximum 16 bytes है. अगर आप integer लेते हो field size में, तो it will have the less storage space. It will reserve the less storage space. Okay. Next is date and time. Date and time data type will have up to 8 bytes of the storage space. It will take 8 bytes to store one date. So if you are entering the dates, date of purchase, date of birth, date of joining, so for that purpose, we will have the proper date and time data types, so that when we enter the data, we cannot enter any random characters and we cannot enter any random numbers. It will allow you to enter only a valid date. So it will reduce the errors of the data entry if we specify a proper data type, proper field size, and proper properties for the particular field. To reducing the data entry errors, we should specify the proper data types. Okay. Next is auto number. Auto number is a data type that will automatically increment one number for each record. Whenever we enter a new record, it will automatically enter a new number, increment one number from the previous, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Automatically serial number or roll numbers can be entered. Next is yes or no. Yes or no data type is used when you want to enter only two values. You have the option of entering two values, whether it is yes, whether it is no. For that purpose, we will have the yes or no. Next is OLE, object, linking, and embedding. For embedding an object from outside source, from another application, like MS Word से कोई document लेना है, presentation से कोई slides लेनी है, Excel में से कोई table या chart लेना है, या आपको कोई photograph लेनी है, कोई PNG file लेनी है, any other file which is the outside source from the access that can be embedded in the table by using the OLE data type, it will have up to 2 GB of data. That means जो भी file आप attach करोगे field में, that should not be more than 2 GB of data. Hyperlink. Hyperlink is used to store the links of various web pages and websites. It can have up to 1 GB of data. Lookup wizard, we had already used it practically. In lookup wizard, we can have a fixed number of values from which we can select one value to enter in a particular field. एक particular field में मुझे suppose पता है कि ये 4-5 values है, इसी में से entry होनी चाहिए, इसके बाहर नहीं आनी चाहिए कोई value. So for that purpose, we will define the lookup wizard, जैसे हमने SUPW field के लिए किया था. Similarly, next is attachment. Attachment to attach more than one file to a particular field. We want to attach a photograph, we want to attach some music file, we want to attach some video file, we want to attach some document. So we can attach more than one file in attachment field. We can have the outside source files in attachment fields. Calculated, as we had used in the total, हमने total use किया था, total field लिया था जिसमें हमने formula specify किया था कि I want to make the total of all the subject marks. So calculated data type allows you to enter formula in a field so that automatically calculations can be done. Like आपने PT1 का marks table बनाया था जिसमें हमने एक field लिया था English, Math, Science और last वाला field total. तो टोटल में आपके सारे मार्क्स का टोटल ऑटोमेटिकली हो रहा था. Similarly, we can have any kind of calculation in the calculated field. Last is rich text. Rich text is also an alphanumeric data type in which we can enter the alphabets as well as numbers. But the only difference is that we can format the values which are entered in this field. We can format the text like by using the formatting options, font color, bold, underline, italic, etc. Font size. So we can give the rich text data type in which we can do the formatting. Clear? All the data types. Next is views. What are the various views of the table in Access? There are two views of the table. One is design view. Second is datasheet view. Design view allows you to define the field name, data types, and their properties, in which you can have the field name, their data type, and bottom main property for every field. So design view allows you to define the structure of the table in which the field names, data types, and their properties are set. Second is data sheet view, in which we can enter the data, exact values, original values that we want to enter, store in a table, in a database. Those values are entered by using the data sheet view. Next is, there are two parts of design view, two sections of the design view window. One is field grid pane at the top, in which we define the field name and their data type. And at the bottom, there is a field properties pane to set the properties for a particular field. Clear? Two sections of the design view. One is field grid pane, second is field properties pane. Next is switching between the views. How to switch between the views, yani how to switch from design view to datasheet view, from datasheet view to design view. For that purpose, again, we are having two methods. One is by using the home tab views group view option. And when you click on the view option, you will find two options, design view and datasheet view. You can choose any one. Second is to find two buttons, design view and datasheet view buttons on the status bar at the right corner. But bottom right corner of the status bar, there are two buttons. You can use those view buttons on the status bar. So if the question is write the command to switch between the views. When you are asked about the writing the command means tab name, group name, option name. So you will write home tab, views group, view option. But if there is a write any one method to switch between the views or write two methods to switch between the views, then you can write one command, one view buttons on status bar. Clear? Okay. Next question is, what are the three ways to create a table? What are the three ways to create a table? One is by using the design view. We can create a new table in the design view, that in which the table automatically open the design window, blank window. And second method is using the data sheet view. That means a new table, a blank table is opened in the data sheet view directly. So third method is by using the templates. Templates means predefined database or predefined tables that we can use. ऑलरेडी बने हुए हैं, हमें सिर्फ उसको सेलेक्ट करना है और उसको यूज करना है. By using the design view, click on create tab, tables group, table design option. What is the command for creating a table in design view? Create tab, tables group, table design option. What is the command for creating a table in data sheet view? Create tab, tables group, table option. Table option. It will open the table in डाटा शीट व्यू. दैट मींस डायरेक्टली डाटा शीट व्यू है, आपके पास आईडी नाम का एक फील्ड आ रहा है, आप उसको चेंज कर सकते हो या अगले उसके नेम्स जो स्पेसिफाई करने हैं, फील्ड नेम, कॉलम नेम, आप उसके ऊपर डाउन एरो पे क्लिक करके डिफाइन करोगे. Design view gives more options to define the structure of the table. So in that you have to give the field name, data types, and we can set the properties also. So three methods to create a table: design view, datasheet view, and templates. Command for creating a table: create tab, tables group, table design, or table option. Clear? Any question till now? Okay.
No.
Next is saving a table. How to save a table?
मैम टेम्पलेट्स की कोई कमांड नहीं होती?
नहीं, तो टेम्पलेट के लिए कोई कमांड नहीं है. वो डाटाबेस थ्रू टेम्पलेट क्रिएट करेंगे तो टेबल्स ऑटोमेटिकली उसमें क्रिएट होंगे. Okay. Okay, three methods to save a table. This we had done in the previous chapter also. There are one method is file tab, save option. You have the save button on quick access toolbar, and you can also use the shortcut key Ctrl+S. This will save the whole database. चाहे वो फॉर्म है, क्वेरी है, टेबल है, इट विल सेव द होल डेटाबेस. बट इफ यू जस्ट वांट टू अपडेट द रिकॉर्ड्स व्हिच आर गिवन इन द डाटा शीट व्यू, जो डाटा शीट व्यू में कोई एंट्री करी है या हमने डाटा शीट व्यू में कोई एडिटिंग करी है, एंड यू वांट टू सेव ओनली दैट टेबल, नॉट ऑल द ऑब्जेक्ट्स, देन यू कैन क्लिक ऑन होम टैब, रिकॉर्ड्स ग्रुप, सेव ऑप्शन. Home tab, records group, save option. It will save only that table in which that is open, जो हमारा अभी open है और उसमें हम click कर रहे हैं home tab, records group और save option पे, that will save only that table. But if we click on file tab, save option or save button on quick access toolbar, it will save the whole database, all the objects जो भी changes करें हैं, चाहे query में है, चाहे form में है, तो it will save the whole database. Okay. Next is primary key. What is primary key? A primary key is a field or a kind of check that uniquely identifies each record in a table, like your admission number, like your patient ID, like your Aadhaar card number. Aadhaar card number is unique for every person. That means that is uniquely identifying you. अगर हम आधार कार्ड enter करते हैं तो it will display all the information about that one person. So that is a primary key. It will not have any duplicate values and there is only one primary key in a particular table. किसी भी table में at a time एक ही primary key हो सकती है and in that primary key field you will not be able to enter duplicate values. Your Aadhaar card number, your PAN card number, your admission number, all these are the values which will be unique for each person, for each record. For how to set the primary key, again there are two methods to set the primary key. In design view, design tab, tools group, primary key option. Design tab, tools group, primary key option, it will set the primary key. Primary key is a toggle button. One time you click, it will apply the primary key. Second time you click, it will remove the primary key. Second method, right click on the field name and choose the primary key option. Right click on the field name and choose primary key option from the shortcut menu. So two methods to apply the primary key. Again, same, if the command is there, question में अगर आपसे command पूछी है तो you will write tab name, group name and option name. अगर आपसे methods पूछी है then you can write any one. Clear? Next is how to add a new record. We had already learned that by default हमारे पास नीचे last में एक new row आ रही होती है to enter the new record. That means start typing in the new row, it will enter the new record. Otherwise, you can also click on Home tab, Records Group, New option. It will move your cursor to the last row and you can start entering the record. Click on New Blank Record button in the record navigation bar at the bottom. जो आपके पास यहाँ पे next, previous, last और first के buttons होते हैं records में move करने के लिए. In that buttons we have the one button, New Blank Record button. If we click on that, your cursor will move to the last row and you will enter the new record. So there are three methods to go to the new row to enter the new record. One is Home tab, Records Group, New option. Click on New Blank Record button on the record navigation bar. Start typing in the new row. Just click on the last row and start typing it. It will enter the new record. Clear? How to edit a record? Making changes. Editing means making changes in the record. Double click on the cell or click on the cell that you want to edit. Cursor will appear. Make the changes. Whether you want to erase it or whether you want to correct the spellings or whatever you want to do. Clear? How to add a new field? आपको new field कैसे add करना है किसी भी particular table में. यहाँ पर already table बना लिया, 5 fields हैं. I want to add one more field or I want to add 2 more fields. So when we create a table in two methods, design view and data sheet view, similarly we can add the new field in two ways, by using the data sheet view and by using the design view. Data sheet view, right click on the field where you want to insert a new field and choose insert field option. Options mark कर लो, underline कर लो. One is right click करेंगे, shortcut menu आएगा. Shortcut menu में you will choose insert field option. It will insert a new field. You will type the field name, select its data type and start typing the values. Second method, go to the design view, click on design tab, tools group, insert rows option. When you click on insert rows, a new blank row is inserted. You type the data field name and its data type. Okay, two methods. One is by using the data sheet view. One is by using the design view. Mind it, पेपर में या टेस्ट में क्वेश्चन बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ना है कि आपको मेथड डिजाइन व्यू का पूछा है या डाटा शीट व्यू का पूछा है. How you can add a new field using the data sheet view. How you can add a new field by using the design view. Or what is the command for adding a new field in the design view. So mind it, read the question very carefully, then decide कि क्या आंसर आएगा. डाटा शीट व्यू है तो राइट क्लिक करके इंसर्ट होगा. डिजाइन व्यू है तो डिजाइन टैब, टूल्स ग्रुप, इंसर्ट रोज ऑप्शन. Clear? Next is similarly we can have how to delete a field. Again, we can delete a field by using the data sheet view and by using the design view. Right click on the field, choose the delete field option from the shortcut menu or the context menu. Design view, again to a design tab, tools group, delete rows option. Select the field, click on design tab, tools group, delete rows option. It will delete the field's name and all of its data. अगर उसमें कोई data भी enter किया तो that data will also be removed. Clear? How to sort the field? Sorting means arranging the data in ascending or descending order. You can arrange the data alphabetically according to the name. You can arrange the data numerically in ascending or descending order according to the marks or in any other criteria. Whatever field name you choose to sort, click on the drop down arrow of the field. Choose sort smallest to largest or sort largest to smallest. This is one method. You can in the data sheet view, because sorting can be done in data sheet view only. It cannot be done in design view. So sorting is data sheet view. Data sheet view में ही sorting करने के दो methods हैं. One is click on the drop down arrow of the field name. जो आपके हर field के साथ एक छोटा सा arrow आता है, उस पे click करेंगे and choose the option sort smallest to largest or sort largest to smallest. Clear? Second method is home tab, sort and filter group, ascending or descending option. Home tab, sort and filter group, ascending or descending option. Clear? Both the options are different. Both the ways you can sort the records. Now important points. Just single one word आपके हैं. What is the shortcut key to save and close table? Who can answer? What is the shortcut key to save? Control plus W. Control plus W is a shortcut key to close a single table, not the entire database. Entire database बंद करना है तो we have Alt plus F4. So only one single table or only one single document, one किसी भी application में, चाहे Word है, Excel है या PowerPoint है, close की command, close की shortcut key Control plus W. Exit की shortcut key Alt plus F4. Clear? Which key is used to move to the next field?
Tab key.
Tab key.
Tab.
Correct.
Tab.
And which key is used to move to the previous field?
Shift plus
tab.
tab key.
Shift plus tab key. A field name can have up to 64 characters. Field name means at the time of designing, we give a field name like name, father's name, mother's name. जो columns के heading है हमारे, they can be up to 65 characters. But when we say the text data type can have up to 255 characters, that means when we enter the value in that particular field, that value can be up to 255 characters. This is the field name at the designing time. Design time पे जो column का heading या field का नाम हम दे रहे हैं वो 64 characters तक हो सकता है, but जो values हम उसमें enter करेंगे at the in the data sheet view, they can be up to 255 characters for text data type. दोनों में difference है. So read the question carefully कि आपसे क्या पूछा गया है. What is the maximum length of the characters that you can enter in a text data type? That will be 255 characters. And what could be the maximum number of characters in a field name? That is 64 characters. Clear? Then a field property. Field property defines the field's appearance and behavior within the database. That means how the particular field will appear in a table. That means उसका format कैसा होगा, उसका caption कैसा होगा. That can be defined by using the field properties. Field property में हम उसका caption set कर सकते हैं, change कर सकते हैं. Behavior, what type of value it can have. Validation rules, validation text we can specify. How the field will appear or how the field will behave during the data sheet view while entering the data, that is defined by the field properties. Field property is the attribute of the field that defines the appearance and behavior within the database. Clear? Is it clear? Any doubt? Similarly, you can hide or unhide the columns by clicking the down arrow of the field and choose the hide column or unhide column option. It will hide the column, hide the field or unhide the fields temporarily. And similarly, you can rename the field. आप field को rename कर सकते हो by double clicking on the field name and type a new name. Double click on the field name and type a new name to rename a field. Clear? Any topic, any point which is not clear, you can ask. Pragati, please ask. बेटा क्या पूछ रहे हो आप? Unmute yourself.
मैम
Yes.
मैम हाइड और हाइलाइट का और मूविंग का दोबारा बता दो।
बेटा हाइड और अनहाइड करने के लिए you just have to click on the down arrow of the field and you can choose the option hide or unhide. See, this is the down arrow. Right click, choose hide field, unhide fields. If you want to hide the Hindi column or if you want to hide the total column, you can right click on the field and choose hide fields option. The column is hidden. Now, if you right click on the field again, you can choose unhide fields and select the field name that you want to unhide and click on close.
यस मैम। मैम और मूविंग का बता दो।
मूविंग में बेटा यहाँ पे देखो क्लिक करो एंड ड्रैग कर लो। सोशल साइंस का देखो साइंस के बाद आ गया, इंग्लिश मैथ हिंदी मुझे कंप्यूटर के बाद चाहिए। आई कैन क्लिक हियर एंड ड्रैग इट। I can click on English field and move it to the last. Just click on the field and drag it. It will move the field. And you can rename the field by double clicking on it. Double click, cursor is there. I can type.
ओके मैम।
Clear?
यस मैम।
How you can rename a field? Double click on the field name in datasheet view and type a new name. How you can hide the columns? Right click on the field name, choose hide column, hide field option. Clear? How you can move a field? Select the field and drag it to a new location. Okay. Yes, Pritika?
मैम
Yes.
मैम जो रिकॉर्ड्स बटन में
Hmm?
जो रिकॉर्ड्स में टोटल का ऑप्शन है मैम वो यूज कर सकते हैं टोटल निकालने के लिए।
कौन सी ऑप्शन?
मैम रिकॉर्ड्स ग्रुप मैम टोटल ऑप्शन।
टोटल ऑप्शन, हाँ हम लोग यहाँ पे बेटा यहाँ पे एंटर करने के लिए फॉर्मूला, जैसे हमारा ऑटो सम फंक्शन होता है एक्सेल में, फॉर दैट
Yes.
वो ये जो टोटल है, ये टोटल आपका देखो लास्ट में ऐड हो रहा है एक फील्ड कॉलम वाइज, ये कॉलम वाइज आएगा।
Yes.
ठीक है, रो वाइज नहीं आएगा। ओके, यस कृतिका?
Please repeat the definition of calculated.
Calculated data type is used to do some arithmetical calculations in a particular field. Calculated data type is used to do calculations in a particular field by entering formulas. Anji, any other doubt in this chapter?
No ma'am.
Okay, we are having one more topic.
टेस्ट डिस्कस नहीं करना,
कल कर लेते हैं, कल पूरा अभी हमारे पास टाइम कम बच गया है, आज रिवाइज करा दिया, कल टेस्ट भी डिस्कस करेंगे और कल आपका टू थिंग्स और करानी है, एक आपका कॉम्पोजिट की और एक बाय क्रिएटिंग डेटाबेस यूजिंग टेम्पलेट्स। ठीक है, कॉम्पोजिट की क्या होती है उसको मैं आई विल गिव यू द एग्जांपल एंड आई विल टेल यू हाउ वी कैन सेट द कॉम्पोजिट की और हाउ वी कैन यूज द कॉम्पोजिट की and we can also use create the tables by using the templates and we will discuss the test. 3 things we will do tomorrow. Okay
मैम चैप्टर में तो है ही नहीं कंपोजिट की।
बेटा डेफिनेशन करवाई थी मैंने प्राइमरी की के साथ कंपोजिट की। when one single field cannot be treated as a primary key, we have to define 2 fields, combination of 2 fields, right, to treat it as a primary key. So that I will give you, explain with the help of an example and we will do it practically also.
मैम आप प्राइमरी की समझा दोगे?
मैं कल दोबारा करवा दूंगी कल। ठीक है,
ओके मैम।
okay, that's all for today's. All the best.